Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rod here with the Hodler FUD Crypto, your new source for all things cryptocurrency. Guys, want to jump on real quick, do a quick review of the Bitcoin chart and what it's looking at. After we had that red candle close for April, we've seen the Bitcoin chart go ahead and make an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and you've seen a lot of people talking about the technicals for this to go back up and do a retracement from the low point of the head to the neckline, which would bring us in around that $65,000 to $67,000 range. Well, the important thing to remember with Bitcoin this year, it has been in this upward channel with the resistance and support as it's trending its way through the channel, guys. We've stayed within that all year, and it wasn't until April that we pulled back down. Now, if we get this retracement that they're talking about, where we're going to go back up around that $65,000 mark, and I think we still might do that by Monday. Right now it's Saturday, May 1st. So I think we'll be back into that position by Monday, getting back into this channel. And why is it important for us to get back in this channel? Because it now gets us back in line with the support trend that was started in the very beginning of this year. If we can get back into that channel, hopefully we can flip to the top side of that channel after the month of May, plod through June again, finding a new level to this channel, and have an absolutely stellar July. What we're looking at right now, if you can see the blue on the right-hand side of the chart here, that's where I think this thing's trending along to now. The blue is the low point. That's where it starts. It goes up. Now, I've kind of just followed the same trend from the other side. And if you go in and we'll zoom in on it, I'll take two pictures so you guys can see this. As you zoom in on it, the blue is actually very close to predicting what the trend is this weekend. And it's looking like today into tomorrow, we're going to be up into that $64,000 range for Bitcoin. Now, is it possible? Is it just pipe dreams, guys? I don't think so, because if you've looked what Bitcoin's done from yesterday, when we got down to, I believe it was $52,000 yesterday we started at, where this thing started to actually move up to the upside. We've now made it to almost $58,000. As of the time of this recording right now, we're at $57,796. So we've seen a roughly 4.5%, might be 6% swing up in price. The remaining swing that it needs to make to get to 65,000 is just doubling or duplicating what it's done today. Now, I want to give it that little extra time to bake, because generally we do see some price movement over the weekend, but we also just had a bunch of CME futures close on Friday, and so we're going to see another upswing as we're now starting the month. And watch for Bitcoin to get back into that channel that it was so nicely following all year and absolutely go on a tear. So, price predictions for this weekend and this weekend alone, I'm looking to come out of this channel at around the 64,396. That'll have us right back on that bottom support line. But watch out for it, guys, because this week Bitcoin is going to go on a run. Now, if I had to make a prediction to be so bold, I'm going to tell you right now, if we can get to $64,000 by the end of this weekend, then by the end of next week, look for Bitcoin to be sitting in and around that $73,500 mark. And then it's going to prep itself to go on an absolute rip for the rest of May. So that's just what I've got for tonight on Bitcoin. I'm going to jump on to an Ethereum, and then I'm going to also separate Ethereum from the other altcoins that we've talked about. And I'm going to do these more short segments so I can get stuff out and quick to you guys. So stay tuned. A lot of TA coming up for you guys this weekend. Bitcoin's looking prime. Guys, absolutely hope we can get to at least the $64,000, but 64,349 or 369 is what I'm looking for to get to that bottom channel of the resistance and support that we have been in all year. So if we can get there this weekend, it's going to be primed to rip. That's what I'm seeing. That's what I've got to say. That's what I got. Protect yourself. Don't wreck yourself. Hodler Fudd out.